My name's Nyundo. This is the story of my life. In the genocide, I was 16. I studied in S4 secondary school. But I tell you, it was hard time because there were ethnic division in the school and everywhere else. In my class, they used to insult me a cockroach, indigenous, and other bad names. The Tutsi were 5, including my big sister, but it was dangerous for us. I remember one day, my teacher called Cyrus Mbowe.
umva rero mw'abanyeshuri
nagiye mbere barabonye uko nabaye ntabwo bakomeye uko nabaye wari wose buri kimwe wese ndagira ngo rero bagira ngo bamwe muri bo hari abavukiye rwose ndagira ngo abantu bazi ko baboneze
Cyrus was a bad man full of hatred and voluntary discrimination. He was an assassin. He killed secretly, and I won't forget the word he said to me.
kubasobanurira injiji nkamwe se muramwamenya iki ahubwo mureke mbitumize nimugera iwanyu mubabaze icyatumye bababyara icyatumye babazana hano none mwebwe mubona mukwiye kuba muri rogara injiji gusa.
Cyrus was called in Harry in the city, and he has been the first to plan and organize the genocide. He also led a big number of gangs called Interahamwe. I still remember the corner called Bagabo, the best friend of my dad. He was also a famous assassin. I knew that he showed how to kill a big number of people just in short time. There was another man called Vunabagabo, but he used to call himself Vunawatutsi. He also lived in our village, and he was among the gang leaders. He had many children and a very kind of women. I remember the 6th April when the airplane crashed. I didn't hear anything because I was sleeping with my siblings But my dad come quick and work as he give us milk and we play. But I didn't know the way my mother has been taken. And my daddy could not tell me the truth. My mother was not there at that time. I remember the following morning, we left home without mom. We didn't even find a place to hide. My father was beaten. He was beaten seriously. But before he died, he took a time and said his last words. He told them to choose whatever they wanted, and one said, "I need a girl." They chose my big sister, and they killed her. After that, my sister held my hand, and we ran. But they shoot her at the first stage. You see, I feel frightened and so sedentary. Yeah. That is where I met with incredible soldiers, RDF. I don't know how to thank the RDF soldier because without them I would be dead too. I really thank for them so much, and I will always pray for them. I was hurt physically and psychologically. My parents had ordained even my suffering, but I know I have been able to survive and live life. I was happy to meet again with my brother who went in RDF before. I thought that he was killed. In the first time after genocide, I didn't agree with reconciliation, but now I reconciled with Rwanda because he considered himself and he was free from prison. As my country is growing up, I have been able to study and I become an artist. Now I'm married with 4 children and my brother also was married with 8 children. In short, I thank God dear. That's all for me. Thank you.